Hi guys, welcome. You're on Real Metal and this is the ISO of next week, ArcoLinuxB Plasma. We're going to add one little extra package to the ISO of ArcoLinuxB Plasma, and that's the Wayland support. So if you type plasma-wayland-session extra, you'll be able to boot in on in Plasma with Wayland as backend. So this is what we see now, and it's recorded with Obs-studio because simple screen recorder doesn't work. Many others don't work, so voila, let's not go over the list. Obs-studio. Now, Super Shift Escape. If you type in Wayland, you'll see that here Start Plasma Wayland is busy and all these guys are busy. Tip that I discovered are two things. One is do not auto login, right? Do not auto login. SDM makes it available, it's there, right? I always go to the aliases, the prompts, and go to the etc sddm.conf.d kde-settings.conf and make sure you can't log in. That's the first 3-4 lines. Put the hashtag there, so you end up with SDM, and then you decide up there, I'm gonna go for Wayland or I'm gonna go for X11. Do not automatically log in to X11, log out and try Wayland. Not gonna work. That's one thing. The other thing that surprised me was actually the Ctrl-Alt-W, which looks nice now, but had another look after a clean installation of ArcoLinuxB. I just saw, hey, what's going on with that particular application. So you should go to Appearance, then Applications Style, configure GNOME GTK because it's a GTK 3 thing. I've installed something else, get new GNOME GTK. I thought, let's find if there's something else. So Arc Dark Slate is something I just installed on this machine. Ctrl-W. Then I knew, okay, so it's correct. It has to be in here. So with switching this around, as simple as that, just a switcheroo, and then suddenly everything was looking great again. So there you go, guys. There's one thing as well that's interesting for the guys who really want to have the ArcoLinux tweak tool, which you don't need. You don't need GUIs. All you need is in fact just a terminal, right? So yes, the ArcoLinux tweak tool works on Plasma Wayland, on GNOME Wayland, and not on Hyperland and not on Sway. These are not that well supported yet. So there you go. That's what I've learned so far, and the ISO will come up in the beginning of February. Cheers.